Jeep continuously built a Jeep truck of some kind from 1947 to 1992, when the Comanche died a quiet death. But for about 27 years, we never lost hope. There had to be another truck on the horizon. Then, Jeep truck anticipation became a reality. In 2019, the Gladiator was born and started to hit driveways across the country. Finally, another two-letter Jeep platform designation, the JT. Now to make it right, the new TeraFlex JT 1.5-inch performance spacer leveling kit will get your nose out of the dirt and get you ready to add some man tires to your Gladiator. Getting your new JT looking good while maintaining a family-friendly versatility is a balance that TeraFlex 1.5-inch spacer leveling kit will provide without going huge. Go ahead and add a bumper. Throw on some 33s or even some 35s on your Rubicon Gladiator and just call it good. Then change your life by adding the Falcon shock of your dreams. Affordable performance and style that can only happen with a little TeraFlex love.